Place the hand truck in a clear open space with unobstructed access to circuit breaker window and mounted devices. Make sure all circuit breakers are in the off position on the Handtruck PDU. Ensure your power source matches the rated input voltage stated on the Handtruck nameplate. This Handtruck's input is rated for 480 volts AC. Plug your power source into the inlet labeled in. Set all circuit breakers to the on position. Plug in any devices into the Handtruck. Make sure all devices are turned off before plugging in so connections are not made under load. Reset any GFCI by pressing the reset button on the face of the GFCI receptacle. Turn off circuit breakers before disconnecting any devices.